The jalapeno. That one. There you go.
There's an easy
Like coated in it. Let me see.
good.
They're very jalapeno. Like, wow.
Get a close up of that handful of nuts.
Oh yeah. What are the macros on it? Look at the Let me see. 160 calories, 13 fat, 9 carb, 4 protein. And how much? 1 packet. These are really good. And now this one, which is pomegranate and oh, that's so annoying. Acai flavored dried cranberries with blueberries. And the serving size is a packet on all these little ones. Sure you'll like them. This is what they look like.
They taste good. Not overly sweet.
And these are 100 calories, 25 carbs, 0 protein, and 0 fat. They are pretty good. Which is surprising because I don't like acai or pomegranates. Well, almond sugar, natural flavor, red cabbage juice extract for color, beet juice concentrate for color. Give me your hand. This is what they look like.
Easter nuts.
Easter nuts. It's like Captain Crunch flavored. Do you agree?
Yes.
1 packet of these is 160 calories, 9 carbs, 6 protein, and 12 fat. Oh, and I have a code. Share 10 off, and you get $10 off your first box. These are Massa crisps, corn chips with flax seeds.
It is their version of a Frito.
Of a Frito?
Yep.
1 packet's it tastes like a Frito. 1 packet's 100.
But more natural, less manufactured.
Less Frito flavored. They look like they have seeds in them. Yeah. 3 protein, 16 carb, 8 fat, and 140 calories. So, yeah, click the link below. Down there. It'll be there. Tell them to go click it. He says go click it. He's like, go down there. To get one of these. And I wrote something down about them, but I don't know where it is. Oh, you can pick, this is a one, like their sample or their trial one is 1 full size and then 4 snack, like sample size. And then the next box you get after that is 5 full size for $19.95, or you can go to like 4 full size or 3 or whatever for like $16. But you can decide which ones you want. You can go through their whole pantry of food and like add to your pantry, and then you can pick which ones you want to get next. And yeah, they're all full-size products when you start paying for them. So that's pretty cool, and you can decide how often you want to get them, like I think monthly, but you can do weekly or something. I don't know. You can skip them, but yeah, go to the website. Go get them. They're good. They taste good. They're healthy for you. Go.